Hello everyone, I am Ritika Jizgar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in this video, we discuss about inventory control model. So in the inventory control, there are two types of models are present. The first is the economic order quantity model, that is EOQ model, and the second is the deterministic and probabilistic model. So here, first we discuss the economic order quantity. So economic order quantity is calculated by balancing the two costs. The first is the ordering cost and carrying cost. So economic order quantity is the size of order which minimizes the total cost of carrying and cost of ordering. So here the minimize the total cost occurs when the inventory carrying cost is equal to the ordering cost. If we have the minimum total cost, so in that we require the ordering cost is equal to the carrying cost. The economic order quantity can be determined by two methods. The first is the tabulation method and the second is the algebraic method. So first we discuss about determination of EOQ by tabulation or trial and error method. So this tabulation method involves following steps. The first step is the select the number of possible LOT sizes to purchases. The second is determine the average inventory carrying cost for the LOT purchased. The third point is determine the total ordering cost for the orders placed. The fourth point is determine the total cost for each LOT size chosen, which is summation of inventory carrying cost and ordering cost. And the last is the select the ordering quantity which minimizes the total cost. So in the tabulation method, the data calculated in the tabular column and it can plotted showing the nature of total cost, inventory cost and ordering cost curve against the quantity order. Okay, so in the tabulation method, we have to calculate the data based on the nature total cost, inventory cost and ordering cost and we get the quantity order. So here we have one example based on the tabulation method. So the problem is the XYZ Ltd carries a wide assortment of items for its customers. One of its popular items has annual demand of 8,000 units and the ordering cost per order is found to be rupees 12.5 and the carrying cost average inventory is 20% per year and the cost per unit is rupees 1. So determine the optimal economic quantity and make your recommendations. So this is our exam problem. So the solution for that problem is this table and the graph indicate that an order size of 1000 units will give the lowest total cost among the different alternatives. So here in this table we have number of order per year. Okay, 1, 2, 4, 8, 12 and 16. So LOT sizes are 800, 8000, 4000, 2000, 1000 and so on. So this is our given table. Average inventories are 4000, 2000, 1000, 500 and so on. Carry cost, ordering cost and total cost per year. So here we have number of order per year, LOD sizes, average inventory, carrying cost and ordering cost for that particular problem. So how to find out the total cost per year? Carrying cost plus ordering cost is equal to the total cost per year. So here in this graph is called as the inventory cost curve. So in the x-axis we have quantities like 2000, 400, 600, 800 and 1000. And the cost is 100, 200, 300, 400 and so on. Okay. So in the inventory cost, the so this line shows the inventory cost. It will is increases in the straight line. And the ordering cost is what? So this is our ordering cost. Okay. So 12.5, then 25, then 50, 100, 150, 200. So here in the quantity 8000 we have 12.5, then 4000. Okay. Here 4000 we have 200, sorry 50, then 1000 we have 100. Okay. So जैसे जैसे क्वांटिटी की साइज ग्रेटर हो रही है वैसे वैसे ऑर्डरिंग कॉस्ट क्या हो रही है, डिक्रीज हो रही है यहाँ पे. ओके. सी हियर इन द 500 वी हैव 200, we have 200 here. Okay, for the 500 we have 200 ordering cost, but in the 8000 the ordering cost is what? Minimum, that is 12.5. Okay, so this is a graph for the ordering cost. And the second is a third point is a total cost. So total cost is this. Okay, so here for the 500 quantities sizes we have 250 total cost. 500 we have 250. Okay. Similarly, for the 8000 we have 812.50. For the 8000 we have total cost is approximately 812.50. Okay, so this is a simple inventory cost curve for inventory cost, ordering cost and total cost. So in this table shows that the minimum total cost curve when carrying cost is equal to the ordering cost. Okay, carrying cost is equal to the ordering cost. Then second method of equality order quantity is the algebraic or analytical method. So here determination of e equality order quantity by algebraic or analytical method. So in order to derive an economic LOT size formula, following assumptions are made. So we have to create the LOT size formula. So for creating the formula, there are some assumptions are made. So the first is demand is known and uniform. Then next is a let denotes the total number of units purchased or produced, and Q denotes the LOT size in each production run. Then third assumption is the shortage are not permitted, that is as soon as the level of inventory reaches zero and the inventory is replenishment. Then fourth is the production or supply of commodity is instantaneous. The fifth is a lead time is a zero. The sixth point is setup cost per production run on procurement cost is a C3. And the last is the inventory carrying cost is C1 equal to Ci, where C is the unit cost and I is the inventory carrying cost. Expressed as a percentage of the value of average inventory. So here this fundamental situation can be shown in the inventory time graph diagram with Q on the vertical axis, that is quantity is on a vertical axis and the time on the horizontal axis. So the total time period for a 1 year is divided into the n parts. So the most economic point in terms of total inventory cost exists where the inventory carrying cost is equal to the annual ordering cost. Okay, if we require the total inventory cost, so in that case we require the inventory carrying cost is equal to the ordering cost. So for that, the average inventory is equal to 1 by 2 maximum level plus minimum level. So 1 by 2 maximum level means what? So here the maximum level is means Q, that is quantity, plus minimum level is 0. 0 to Q means Q plus 0 divided by 2. So here we get the average inventory is a quantity divided by 2. Then next, total inventory carrying cost is equal to the average inventory into the inventory carrying cost per unit. That is, total inventory carrying cost is equal to average inventory means what? Q by 2 into inventory carrying cost means what? C1. So we get the equation for the total inventory carrying cost is equal to QC1 divided by 2. So this is our equation number 1. The next is the total annual ordering cost. How to find out the annual ordering cost? Number of orders per year into the ordering cost per order. So how to find out the total annual ordering cost? The number of orders means what? T. See here. Total number of units purchased and Q denoted LOT sizes in a production. So total annual cost is a T divided by ordering cost per order means Q into C3. So D divided by Q into C3. Now, summing up the total inventory cost and total ordering cost. So here we get the total inventory cost and total ordering cost, carrying cost and ordering cost. So summation of all these total inventory cost and total ordering cost, we get the total inventory cost CQ. So total cost production run equal to carrying cost plus annual cost, QC1 divided by 2 plus DC3 divided by Q. So this is our cost equation. But here the total cost is the minimum when the inventory carrying cost become equal to the total annual ordering cost. Okay. So the total cost is the minimum. So carrying cost is equal to the annual ordering cost. So here we get the QC1 divided by 2 means what? Total inventory carrying cost is equal to DQ D divided by QC3, or we can say that QC1 is equal to 2DQ divided by C3. 2D C3 divided by Q, or we can say that for the Q2 only we get 2C3D divided by C1. So these are the three possible equations getting from this equation number 3. For what? Inventory carrying cost. So this cost is equal to the annual ordering cost. So in that case we get these three equations. So find out the optimality quantity for the EOQ. So here we get the optimality quantity for EOQ is equal to Q0 is equal to root of 2 C3 D divided by C1. So here we get the optimal quantity based on this equation. So here if we are considering the values for C3 is a 60, D is our demand value, that is 1800 divided by root of 8.4. So here we get the 82.8 or 83 lubricant approximately. So here we consider the D value is total number of units. So here total number of units are 1800. Then C is what our carrying cost. So here consider this carrying cost is 16 into 2 divided by the carrying cost for C1 is 8.4. So here the root of 2 into 16 into 1800 divided by root of 8.4, we get the 82.8 or 83 lubricants. So this is a simple example based on a algebraic or a analytical method. So in the EOQ there are two methods are present. Tabulation, so we are making a table format for carrying cost, ordering cost, average inventory, and find out the total cost, and plotting all these value in the graph. And the second method is what algebraic analytical method for the inventory carrying cost, inventory annual ordering cost, and total carrying cost. Thank you.